Hello everybody. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of the new Kershaw Lucha. So I just got it in the mail. Haven't even had a chance to open it yet. So let's get this thing in here. Nope. Let's see this. Nope. Side. There we go. This is here just in case. It's sibling to the new Balisong. I've been using Kershaw for 5-6 years now. I had the leak, loved the leak. It was so sad when I took it to the airport and had to give it to TSA. And who knows who got it now. But loved that knife very much. And it will be missed. And then I've continued to buy Kershaw's. This is one of them here. This is my EDC for work. With all this extra fun stuff on there. My buddy's got one too, but he said this fell off and it's all messed up now. But comes in handy when you're just walking around the job site and need something quick. You don't want to walk all the way back to the tool bag. Keep this on you. Alright, let's check it out. Super stoked. Oh. So it looks like we got another box here. Thanks, UPS. I purchased this one at what is it? Rated HQ. Reordered it, so I paid $5 up front, and then all of a sudden it just came. I got an email and all that, of course, but as soon as it came out, I got it. 2 days later, 2 days overnight, and then pay the extra shipping. So, ooh, what do we got in here? Some snacks. Sent some snacks. That's awesome. Why don't we kill some more fish and shit? Jesus. There it is. Sticking out of there. God damn it. So got a lot of fun little snacks for later. When I watch a movie or something. Save that. Alright, here's the Kershaw box. Very nice box. Got, I don't know which is the front of the box, but got this nice face of the box here. Kershaw Lucha 5150 barcode. USA, baby. Where is this made? USA in Oregon? Alright. And we already looked at that side. Alright, let's see what's inside here. Got some tabs here. Alright. Pull this thing out. Nice bubble wrap. So inside the box I got a little side compartment. Because you have to keep whatever that is and the knife separate at all times, obviously. So let's see, I can't grab it with my fingers without breaking stuff. Oh, let's see if I can get in this side now. Oh, that did it. Alright, so that's it for in there. Nothing else in there. I don't think I'm missing anything. Nope. Looks good. Put that back up. Right there. Alright. So let's dive into this now. Alright, first thing we got. Important information about your new Kershaw knife. Oh, what's this? Oh, wow. You can become a pro. Shows you how to flip in here. That's pretty cool. There you go. So if you want to pause the video here and take a screenshot, learn how to flip, and looks like 8 easy steps. What is this? An easy... This is just a basic open. Yeah, it looks like it. I'm gonna have to read these when I try and open this thing. This is gonna be my first live blade, so I might not do too much flipping, because I don't want to have to do another take. One, take off the latch. 2, flip it. 3, hit the back of your hand with it. 4, throw it forward, and it's open. Got it. I'm going to need that for later. All this other information over here, that's basically it. Practice, you can flow these steps together in a smooth, continuous motion and avoid the blade and bite handle. It's going to be very important. So there you go. Comes with instructions. Very cool. Alright, let's take a look at this thing. Got a nice little bubble wrap pouch. Love that sound. Oh yeah. Oh, what's this? A breath mint? Oh, it's cold. Cold. Been out the UPS truck all day today or something. Got a nice little mint for after dinner mint for later. That. And this is it. Here it is. Pretty cool. It doesn't feel too heavy right away. I'll have to figure out what torque that is. It looks like 6. Those look small. Those look really, really small. So that could be fun taking out. See, I'm pretty sure that's not my sweat on there. You opened me up already. So they definitely oiled this thing up nicely for me. Thank you, Kershaw. So, got the latch there. Those pivots look pretty cool. So it looks like I'm going to need a couple torque wrenches for this. Alright, let's see what happens here when I open it. One more flyby here. Say it's not too heavy. Let's just see. Let's do a comparison here. Where's my other one? So there's the Squid Trainer, or the Squid Industries Triton Trainer. Here's the Kershaw. This one's a little bit heavier, not too much. This one's stainless steel, I believe, and that one is aluminum. They both run on bearings. I believe this is a bearing set up here. Let's see. Yeah, we can kind of see the washers and stuff in there. Yeah, it looks like there's a couple different size screws you're going to need to fit all around with it. Yeah, sex bolts. And they really gunked this up with some good oil. Oh yeah, smell it. Good stuff. Yeah, it looks like these are sex bolts, I'm thinking. So I'm going to need 2 of whatever size this is, potentially. I'll have to dig in there a little bit more to kind of see what's going on for sure. But there'll be more stuff I got to buy then. Pivots, those look like torque on that side. And I don't know if that's just fancy stuff, fancy pivot there, or if that's another potential torque I'll need to get in there, but how about I just don't take it apart? How about that? Alright, so let's take this open. I'll push this together and see what happens here. I'm pushing together, nothing's happening. Okay, so it's a manual, it's not spring loaded. Flies open like that. Alright. Not going to do too much flipping because I don't want to have to do another retake here. Like I said, this is going to be my first live blade. Alright, so we got latch side is the bite handle. Or typical. Now let's see if I cut myself here. Open this up. So far so good, still got all my fingers. This thing's pretty badass looking. Let me see if I can get... Alright, let's see how big this thing... Let's see how big this thing is. So, tip to butt. About 10 and a quarter. 11 and a quarter to the handle. Pretty big. This thing's kind of big. Let's see. Let's get some other stuff out here. Let's see what it compares to here. Alright. That's about the size of my Nautilus, which is cool. What this is like. That's the squid trainer right there. So yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the Nautilus, it looks like. Bigger than the Triton. Alright, let's take a closer look at it here. Pretty cool. A little lightweight. Latch is a little flimsy there. Not spring loaded. What's that saying there? 5150 steel looks like. America. USA. One's got the little Kershaw symbol there. That's pretty cool. Very cool. This thing's got to be pretty sharp. Let's see. Let me see if I can get. See if I got. Bring this off a little bit here. Got into the box pretty good. It can cut a box. It can probably cut a finger. Good to know. One nice thing they kind of put on here that I saw, this latch. So they rounded the edge here. No, sorry about that. So they rounded the edge here. When you're flipping, apparently, not supposed to get caught. But pushing pretty good on it now, and it's not falling away. A lot of force on that. It's not flying away from it. So, see how that goes. Doesn't automatically seal on you, which is kind of cool. See what happens when I just push on it. Nope, you actually have to push it down, which I think is pretty cool. I've never had an actual latch of this quality before, so we'll see how it goes. But it looks like it's not going to auto grab it. If it does get in the way and it's horizontal on you, like it's gonna bounce you back, I reckon. All right. So there it is. There's the Kershaw Lucha. I'm excited to start flipping this. Hopefully I'll come back with some fingers. See what happens. Latest. It's been 5 minutes. I will cut you. Treat your trainer with respect. Each other. So one thing I definitely noticed is this is way heavier than the Nautilus or Triton. Made out of steel. All bearings seem pretty good. I think I haven't checked it yet, but plane here is pretty good. It's barely even, it's not even moving. It's pretty amazing. So it is thinner than the Nautilus. That's why I suck at fanning and stuff and the gloves. One thing I did notice, there's a little bit of a bounce. Let's see if I can do it again here. A little bit of a stutter there. It's just the way I was doing it. There it is right there. Pop. 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 I don't know if that's normal. Like I said, the only thing I've ever actually had was the squid industry stuff. Never actually had a live blade. Otherwise, yeah, this thing's pretty fun. 120 bucks ain't bad. Definitely within my budget. Again, I don't know anything when it comes to these, so far it's fun for me. My first live blade, so I'm sure since it's gonna cut me, I'll fall in love with it. Learn to respect it no matter what other people think. So yeah, starting to ramble, so thanks for watching. Check it out.